Hope you were both on the same page, because so far this is one of my favorite chapters in the whole entire book. And now let's talk about implementation, because there's no reason whatsoever I want you to read this book and you're like, wow, that Wally guy's so great. I have no interest in creating that atmosphere. What I have a focus on is I want you to walk away with tangible steps that you go implement, that you increase your income, you increase your time off, so you can increase your quality of life. That's my laser focus. You want to thank me for my time? You want to thank me for my investment in you? Go implement. That makes me feel significance. So let's talk about implementation and tracking. So there's a great book called The One Thing. In the book, The One Thing by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan talks about goal setting to the now. I adopted that process, and it's something that has worked out extremely well for me. So now we talked about how to go from $25 million a year to $50 million a year to $100 million a year. Super awesome, and I can't wait to see you succeed. But what I want you to do is, instead of creating a 1-year plan, or even a 3-year plan, or even a 5-year plan, I want you to create a 10-year plan. So the reason I want to help you create a 10-year plan is because this is a career. This isn't a job. This is an opportunity for you to make multi-millions a year and enjoy maximum time off with you and your family. Now, I want you to dream big. This book is not for somebody that just wants to mediocrely get by. I want you to live your best life, because you deserve to live your best life. So if we're going to focus on you doing $100 million a year, now let's focus on a 10-year window. The reason I say that is something that Gary Keller taught me, owner of Keller Williams. He said that everybody overestimates what they can do in 1 year, underestimates what they can do in 5 years. I'm going to say that again because I really hope you wrote that down. Everybody overestimates what they can do in 1 year and underestimates what they can do in 5 years. Why? We're so ambitious as loan officers, which makes us really great loan officers, but we're so ambitious as loan officers that we're so focused on, we can do this, we can do this, we can do this. So when I make a goal, I create it into a 10-year goal. So goal setting to the now is, if you want to do $100 million in loans, make that into a 10-year goal. Then from there, for you to do that in 10 years, where do you have to be on track in 5 years to be able to accomplish the 10-year goal? For you to be on track with the 5-year goal, where do you have to be on the 3-year goal to be on track with the 5-year goal? Where do you have to be on the 1-year goal to be on track with the 3-year goal? Where do you have to be on the 6-month goal to be on track with the 1-year goal? Where do you have to be on the 3-month goal to be able to be on track of the 6-month goal? Where do you want to be on track of the 1-month goal to be on track of the 3-month goal? And lastly, where do you need to be weekly to be able to be on track of the monthly goal? Once you map that out and you do that in a 10-year window, it's going to look so ridiculously achievable for you, because it's step staring your success. Instead of you making this, hey, I do $25 million a year loans, I saw this guy Wally, and I'm going to do $100 million next year. I really hope you do, but is that realistic? But if you go from 25 million to 100 million over a 10-year window, and you map that out, the 10-year goal, the 5-year goal, the 3-year goal, the 1-year goal, the 6-month goal, the 3-month goal, the 1-month goal, the 1-week goal, and you map that out, you're like, oh my God, that's so achievable. That's super easy. I can do that in my sleep. What does that do mentally to you? Now you can see it's achievable, it's possible, and you can do it. You're off to the races. So biggest thing I want you to take away this is, what's the old saying? You eat an elephant one bite at a time. When you're goal setting and you see a big goal that you want to accomplish, goal set it to the now, and that is going to help you implement and track. Thank you so much for watching.